welcome back to the channel. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to make something into a heading in Google Docs. So here I've already opened my paper in Google Docs and I want to make something into headings. So I'm going to scroll down. Okay, so I'm going to make this works cited as the heading. So what you need to do is select the text and then at here at the top, choose normal text or click on styles right here. So now it's just normal text and click on this to change it into heading. So there are three options, heading 1, 2, 3. So I'm going to choose heading 1 and click on apply heading 1. Okay, so now this works cited has been changed into a heading like this. Okay, so I think that's all for me. That is how you can make something into a heading in Google Docs. I hope this video is helpful to you. Please don't forget to click on like and leave a comment if you had any questions and subscribe to our channel for more contents. I'll see you all at the next tutorial. Bye bye.